Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and futuristic tiny campers of 2025, the all-new electric tricycle camper, the Rawher 12. This compact yet stylish machine is redefining what it means to travel light, green, and smart. At first glance, the Rawher does looks like something out of a retro-futuristic dream. Its round headlights, smooth curves, and cozy cabin lighting give it an irresistibly charming vibe. But don't let its cute design fool you. This little camper is packed with innovation and functionality. Now, stepping inside, the interior is where this camper truly shines. The space is beautifully designed. Warm wood accents, ambient lighting, and clever storage solutions make every inch count. You've got a small kitchenette with a sink, mini fridge, and induction stove, perfect for making meals on the go. There's a foldable table, a cozy sitting area that converts into a bed, and even room for a few personal touches. What's really impressive is how energy efficient everything is. The camper's built-in solar panels on the roof help keep lights and small appliances running without draining the main battery. You can easily enjoy a weekend off-grid with minimal power worries. Driving the Rawher can feel smooth and effortless. Its lightweight frame and electric drive system make it easy to maneuver through tight spaces or narrow roads. Plus, it's whisper quiet, perfect for enjoying nature without the noise of a traditional engine. Of course, it's not meant for long highway drives or heavy loads, but for short-distance adventures, it's absolutely perfect. It's the kind of vehicle that turns every short trip into a cozy escape. Overall, the 2025 Rawher 12's electric tricycle camper is a brilliant blend of simplicity, sustainability, and comfort. It's ideal for solo travelers, digital nomads, or couples who want to enjoy the freedom of camping without the bulk of a big RV. So, what do you think about this little electric camper? Would you take it on your next adventure? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more futuristic travel reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.